Day 2 of the Polar Packet. On the polygon side of the worksheet, I can't really help you too much there other than just to say that you can either look in your notes for the names of the polygons or you can look online. I have added a link to a website that includes all of the names of the polygons up to, I think it goes at least to 20, and then it has tips for even further than that. So you should find everything you need on that website if you choose to go there. And then be careful when you are connecting your lines on the answer sheet to use a straight edge to do so that you get the right letters to put into the puzzle at the end. On the perimeter side, this was marked off on the copies of the Polar Packet that were given out in class this semester. If you have one of my paper, the electronic copies, I have put this a couple different places or sent out reminders on this here, but you do not need to do number 4 or 6 on the across section, and you do not need to do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 on the down section. So that is knocking down the amount of problems you have to do for perimeter quite a bit. Now, a couple things to remind you of about the perimeter of shapes. It is looking at the distance around a shape. So it's taking all the side lengths and adding them up to get an answer. Two words that are used pretty frequently here is regular and equilateral. Just to remind you, these words both mean, more or less, that all sides of the shape are equal or congruent. So here's an example for you. If it says a regular septagon with sides of 4 centimeters, then what you need to do is first figure out how many sides does a septagon have. And you'll either come across this in the other side of the worksheet or you can look it up. And a septagon has 7 sides. So this is a 7-sided figure. It is regular, so that means that all of its 7 sides are exactly the same. And then I know that its sides are 4 centimeters. So to do this one, you can sketch out a 7-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and so there are 7 sides. Each of them are 4. You can add those all up, or you can do 4 times 7 equals 28 centimeters. And that would get put into the cross number problem at the bottom of the worksheet.